Number 6. Which of the following is the graph of a function where y is equal to f of x? Y equal to f of x means that for every value of x, there has only to be one corresponding value of y. For example, on the option A, we can see that for one value of x, let's say 1, we have 2 points of for y. So x is equal to 1, and let's say that we have 1 here for y and -1, the other point. So for x we have 1, for y 1, and there's another point when x is equal to 1 and y is -1. So this cannot happen. It cannot be A because we have one value for x and we have 2 values for y. The same on B. For example, the y-intercept. X is equal to 0 and we have 2 values. One here and another one right here. And almost everywhere. Here, 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 and almost anywhere. On D, it's the same. We can see the y-intercept. There's 1, 2 values for y and 1 for x. That means that the right answer is C, because we only have one value for x and only one for y on any part of this graph. Number 7. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 3x squared plus 6x minus 24? We can see that we have to do some factoring. We can factor 3 because 3, 6, and 24 are factors of 3. So 3. Now we divide 3x squared divided by 3 is equal to x squared plus 6x divided by 3 is equal to 2 times x minus 24 divided by 3 is 8. Now we can still factor what's inside the parentheses. So 3 times, we have one parenthesis and the second parenthesis. The first sign for the first parenthesis is the term in the middle that has the variable, so it's positive. And for the second parenthesis, we multiply. Positive times negative is equal to negative. Now we need two numbers that multiply are 8 and added are 2. 4 times -2. We can see that on the answer choices too. We have some hints. It could be 2 and 4. And the greatest has to have this sign. So in this case, 4 is positive. And the negative has to be 2. So 4 times -2 is equal to -8. We have this one. And now if we add them, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So we have the middle term. These are 4 and -4 are our numbers. X plus 4 times x minus 2. Now it looks like the answer. Let's compare 3x plus 4. This is negative. No, it cannot be A. X plus 4, x minus 2. So the right answer is B.